On youth, there is a problem, because if the concussion occurs while the brain is developing, we know that it will take longer for the brain to recover. So in youth, we know, as is in women also, and in women we don't know why, but in youth we know that it takes longer for the brain in the young athlete to recover. And so we want to understand why. And we also know that after a concussion, a first concussion, the probability of getting another is 5 times fold. So there is a vulnerability of the brain if a person gets one concussion for further concussion. So that also is one thing we want to look at and try to understand. The third thing we're trying to understand is the cumulative effect of concussion. There seems to be a cumulative effect of concussion, meaning that the more concussions you've had in your lifetime, the greater the likelihood that you will develop depression later on in life, and or some kind of degenerative disease. So we want to investigate that aspect as well. Right now, what we know is that the athletes that have had multiple concussions over their lifetime show chronic traumatic encephalopathy. But we only know that through autopsies. So we want to find a way to be able to diagnose it prior to the person dying, of course. So that's one goal that we have. But it doesn't happen to everybody. So it doesn't mean that because you've had multiple concussions, you're going to get a degenerative disease later on in life. It doesn't work like that. So it's something that we have to be careful about and to investigate, but it is not established that anybody that has multiple concussions will develop a degenerative disease later on in life.